Hi, welcome to another video of Heshe Farms. My name is Heshe Stanley, and today I'm going to show you um, one of our installations that has taken us about a month to complete, an aquaponic farm. So we have fish this side. We're trying to catch some fish and to show you. So as you can see here, these are small little fingerlings. These are tilapia for our aquaponics system. Single sex, of course. And this side is our hydroponic system, and we're growing lettuce. And this side we have strawberries. So these are just 1 month old. We've just started, so it's the first batch in our aquaponic farm. So we have 2 fish ponds, and these fish ponds are run by 2 pumps which circulate the water, goes into the tank, and inside there are biofilters which bacteria break down all the waste, and then the water comes, passes through the pipes. As you can see here, we have water coming in. It goes through the hydroponic farm, and the plants absorb those nutrients, the same as this one. So underneath here we have root system and water. So we have 2 controls. So we have a gate valve that side, and this side we have a gate valve which we control the speed of the water. So it's a efficient design. At this small area of 10 by 12 screen house, we are growing about, this side we have 1060 lettuce. In this side we have 700 strawberries. So it's an efficient system. You're growing in a small space, but you're growing a lot of plants, and the management is also breaking down into a very literally. So as you can see, these are the root system. There's lettuce, and as you can see, there's water flowing. So at Heshe Farms, we provide installation services. So we provide, if you need this system, we can come and install it for a very cheap price, and also very local designs that we use. So it's very cheap. We also provide training. So if you want to get more understanding on aquaponics, maybe you want to be an expert technically, so you can find us. We have our workshops in Morogoro. You can join one of our classes. We do provide those services, but also we provide school visits. So if you want your class to learn about aquaponics, the new technologies of farming, you can call us, and we will show you the incredible things that we're doing here at Heshe Farms. So in each fish pond we have, this fish pond we have 600 tilapia, and this side we have 700 tilapia, which will grow about plate size within 6 months. The reason why we are growing a lot of fish in a small space is because the water is all the time, it's clean. So we're getting clean water. So that means you can grow a lot of fish in a small space. It's the same as how as you can see, people layering chickens in a very small space in pens. So it's the same as this one. We have clean water, we have enough feeds to feed the fish, so we can actually maintain a huge number in a small fish pond. Yeah. So we have other interesting things that you can see. Also, we have chickens, we have greenhouses, we are growing vegetables, we are growing tomatoes, cucumbers, and so on. So you can learn a lot here at Heshe Farms. You can give us a call by 0762 54 74 64, or you can go to our website, just write Heshe Farms, go to our website and you will find more information on how you can find us. So thank you very much, and you're always welcome to pay a visit and see how aquaponics is.